Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at a DHgate shirt, and this is the Real Madrid Special Edition shirt. I'm not sure if this is an official Real Madrid release or if it's just one of those mock-up special edition ones, but it's been ordered for a friend of mine. They like the look of it and yeah, they wanted to buy it, so I thought once it arrived I'd do a quick look at the shirt and show you what it looks like. So I said this is from DHgate, but it's from my usual seller, Hebe Superstore. I'll try and find a link to the shirt and I'll leave that below for you should this one be of interest. If not, I'll leave a generic Hebe link anyway. And the shirt itself comes in a standard Adidas bag. On the flip side, it does have the usual health warnings. Now what I do like about this one is you've got the retro Adidas badge. It's always one of my favourites on these shirts. So if you are new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But what we'll do now is we'll unpack the shirt and we'll take a deeper dive and have a look around it. And as I said, this is a DHgate shirt from Hebe Superstore. All details will be in the description of this video. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt and it has just got the standard V-neck collar. Adidas stripes have been heat pressed in. They're not like the shiny ones on the Man United shirt that we looked at a little while ago. These are just like vinyl. The Adidas emblem has been heat pressed on, and that's got a bit of a texture to it. Real Madrid crest has been heat pressed on. There's a slight nick there in the material. It's lost a bit of colour. Emirates has also been heat pressed on. That feels really smooth. At the bottom of the shirt we have the authentic licensed product, and actually if I put my hand through it you can see how see-through this one is. So being the player spec one, we always expect that. And you've got the heat ready on that side. Yellow banding, it's the same as on the sleeves. And then that stripes on this side as well. Gotta say, for a special edition shirt, this one looks really smart. It's got the Real Madrid yellow there from the home shirt, actually, from last season. I remember seeing that on there. And it's actually got the new bumps there that you see on the Adidas shirts for this season. Okay, we'll flip it around and we'll have a look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're on to the back. And we show the Real Madrid like a logo which has been heat pressed in. But oh, as I've noticed that, look how wonky that is. The middle should be about here, I guess. Well, actually probably about there, so that's probably not in the middle either. Oh, that's disappointing. I don't know if it'll be noticeable when you're wearing it or not, but that is slightly disappointing. Sleeves all look good. Stitching under the arm looks absolutely fine. At the bottom, again being the player one, you do have this mesh at the bottom, obviously to try and keep you cool. But again, if I hold it out, you can see just how see-through this material is. Oh, it has got like the flap as well, actually, and the stitching on there is quite off as well. Looks a bit higher and a bit wonky. DHgate shirts always do tend to be that little bit cheaper in price. So to be fair though, the items that we've really looked at where we've called out being a bit of an issue, which is up there and down there on the hemline, once you're wearing it I don't think it's going to be overly noticeable in all honesty. Okay, we're on to the inside of the shirt now, and the stitching there all looks absolutely fine. Coming down onto the sleeve, all looks good. To be fair, so far the stitching is all looking nice and tidy on the inside, which is always good. At the bottom here we do have our washing instructions. Recommendation when having these shirts and you're washing them is to flip it inside out and do it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just hang dry it. Do not put it in a tumble dryer. I repeat, do not put it in a tumble dryer. Real Madrid badge is there. You can see that's gone on nicely, and the Adidas just there. Even on the inside, I like the look of the retro Adidas shirt sponsor just here. No creases at all from where it's been put on. The only creases where it's been in the bag. So yeah, that's all looking nice and tidy, I've got to say. There was a bit of excess cotton there actually, but scissors will sort that out. I'm just kind of being a bit picky with that one. But yeah, all looking good so far on the inside. Okay, we've got the final part of the inside of the shirt now, and here's that new Adidas inside of the collar. I don't know what that's meant to do, whether it is just to support the neck, I'm not overly sure. Oh, we do have up here our QR code with a product code on there, and you get the standard Adidas jersey tags. It has got an extra bit in there actually. If I can do it, there you go. Founder of Adidas, got some information there. Adidas founded in 1949. Size of this one is 2XL slim fit. Recommendation when buying a slim fit player edition shirt is to go up a size or two depending on the cut that you want. If you want it so it's still tight to the body, go one size up. But if you're wanting it so it's got a little bit of breathing space, if you're going to wear items underneath it, then I would go 2 sizes up. And that's exactly what this person has done who I've got this shirt for. They've gone 2 sizes up to what they normally are. Adidas ones though do tend to have a little bit more give in them as well. So I think Adidas you could probably definitely get away with just going up 1 size. But always treat your first order as a bit of a trial order. Then you know going forward what sizes you need. But yeah, inside all looking nice and tidy. So no names and numbers. Oh, that's just a bit of extra cotton there. No names and numbers or anything. Just a plain, nice Real Madrid Special Edition shirt. And there is our Real Madrid Special Edition shirt, which is a 24-25 shirt. I'm not sure whether this is going to be an away shirt, a third shirt. I really don't know. On the website it said a special edition. And it's not for me, this is for a friend. So not overly bothered, or they're not overly bothered whether it is one. They just liked the design and the colours, which I've got to say I am in agreement with. It is a lovely shirt, this one. The colour is such a nice colour. The yellow and the blue goes really well together. So yeah, no, they'll be wearing this one when they're out playing, and I'm sure they will enjoy it. The shirt itself was purchased from DHgate. I'll leave a link in the description to the seller. It is my usual seller that I use. So I'll leave a link to them. So if there's any items you want to go and look at, you'll be able to find them directly. If you have enjoyed this one, leave a like and leave a comment as well. Tell me if there's any shirts you'd like me to look at in the future, or if you can tell me if this is going to be an away shirt or a third shirt, it'd be always good to know. But I do hope you have enjoyed this one. I said this is a DHgate shirt, and the link to the seller will be left in the description of this video. Let's leave you with that final look of the lovely retro Adidas shirt, or Adidas emblem should I say. But yeah, hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.